Hello, if you are wondering what charger can you use to charge Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, then the answer is pretty much any charger that you can use with the USB cable. In fact, we also have the charger included in the box, so there is really no need to search for a charger. And I'm gonna show you how the charger looks like. So over here I have the box, of course. In here, inside, we have the charger. Now, let's take out the cable first. There we go. And over here we have the charger. Now this charger is quite huge, as you can see by the size comparison to the device itself. And the reason for this is pretty simple. This charger is really strong. I mean, we can use it to really quickly charge our device. It has 125 watts and definitely is the best one to use, since of course this is the original one. So if for some reason you want to purchase a charger, let's say you are in a situation where you have to purchase a charger, then definitely you should use the 125, I think it's called Turbo Power charger, made by Motorola. So if it's possible, purchase directly from them, as it will be the most compatible one with your Edge 50 Ultra. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.